Baron61 here. This is my very first gun video. This is one of my handguns that I use for CCW, and this is the M&P Shield Smith & Wesson in the .40 caliber. One of my favorite guns to carry. This gun holds 6 or 7 bullets in the magazine. Depending on which magazine you use, it comes with 2 of them. And of course 1 in the chamber, so if you're carrying it concealed, you'll have either 7 or 8 bullets total. In order to take this apart, very simple. Let's do a safety check. Empty. Okay. Lock it back. Magazine lock. Rotate down. Unlock. Bring forward. Fire. Guns apart. Recoil spring. Barrel. To reassemble. Barrel. Put the recoil spring back on. Here we go. Okay. Very straightforward. And put this back on. Lock it back. Bring that back. And gun is ready.